Linggong linggo, kaya bonggang-bongga ang inyong mapapanood at ang inyong mapapakinggan. Ito po si Alwin Ignacio, ang diva that you love. Kasama ko ang aking kumaring Ucho Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
Ito po ang Nakiti Show, the Ryan Natalakian Showbiz Edition, and of course, we are welcoming you sa aming episode 2 para sa aming Season 23. And what better way to start the Sunday show kundi pag-usapan ang bonggang-bonggang performance sa Coachella ng Nations Girl Group, ang BINI. Palakpakan naman tayo sa BINI dahil talagang they raised the flag very well during their Coachella performance. Mare, ilang kanta nga ba ang kinanta ng BINI Girls sa show?
I think 10?
10. At gano'n sila katagal on stage?
45 minutes?
45 minutes. At ang bonggang-bongga doon, ang dami-dami naka-appreciate, ang dami-dami nanood. And I even read somewhere na nung performance nila, nandun daw si ang pinakamalaking pop star sa kasalukuyan, si Taylor Swift, was part of the audience. And also, on that first day as well, Katy Perry,
Oo, tsaka si
Jovan, the former
Trudeau.
Prime Minister of
Ng
Canada, si Justin Trudeau, ay present. At maraming mga Noipi talaga na super support sa Nations Girls Group. At alam ko pa, parang by the millions talaga nung ninabas na yung mga videos nila para panoorin. What can you say about this phenomenal feat na ginawa ng BINI?
Well, I should say it, phenomenal talaga. Because they were the first Filipino group, I think, na
yes.
nag-perform doon.
Sa Coachella.
Sa Coachella, di ba? Parang, it was an honor. So, they were Pinoy pride talagang mas maituturing. They have accomplished that in just more than 2 years in the industry.
Parang 4 years na ata sila.
No.
Di ba?
About 3 years siguro,
Okay.
pero not 4 years. Kasi I was there when they were launched sa isang malapit sa ABS-CBN. So it was I think magti 3 years. So that's a major feat, 'di ba? To be kasi ilan bang mga female groups sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? Pero nobody was invited to the Coachella. 'Di ba? Ibig sabihin, they made their presence felt in the international stage for them to be invited to perform
Pero
there.
alam ko, they also parang won an award. Ano nga yung
Oo,
award
sa
na ito?
Billboard,
Sa Billboard? Ano nga yung award na
May
nakuha
award nga
nila?
sila sa 26 Billboard Women in Music Global Force.
Honoree.
Oo, yun ang award which will happen in tawag dito, I think April 29.
Yung awarding na yan. This April 29.
Yeah.
And, ano ba ang mga kinanta nila sa Coachella?
Of course, they started with
Their
Shaggy D.
biggest hit, Shaggy D.
Oo, tapos they ended up with Pantropico.
Oh.
Oo, yun ang nila.
That's great.
At saka nakita mo talaga, when they were announced na talagang magpe-perform, enthusiastically, ang crowd, clap talaga.
Well,
At saka, to think, mainit ba doon? Kasi, it's supposed
Summer
to be a
ngayon.
desert, di ba?
oo, saka summer ngayon sa US, Spring-Summer Collection.
Kasi naka lang yun
Parang tent.
parang very, very big tent na
Well, congratulations in order for the BINI Girls. And also, I heard na parang after the Coachella performance, parang mag-on libro muna si Maloy.
What for?
I think she's like having some
Masakit?
health issues. So pagpapahingin muna siya. And deserve naman nilang magpahinga with what they did for the country and for all the P-pop girls who dream big. I'm sure they're going to be an inspiration to all the young girls out there.
Kasi they were now the standard by which P-pop female group is measured. Silang batayan.
Sila naman lagi ang batayan as far as the female groups are concerned. Talaga sila talaga yung alpha female group. Parang after them, saka pa lang papasok yung G22, at kung sino-sino pa. But they're nandun talaga sila. I just hope that after this Coachella, marami pa silang mga ibang music festivals na daluhan at mas malaki pang traction ng mga bagong kanta na lang ilalabas.
At saka tawag dito, very kasi lahat ng kanta nila energetic. So, rehearsed. So, dance. So, ibig sabihin, di ba nakakapagod yun? My God.
Maraming araw na insecure ng mga K-pop girls nung nag-perform sila. Kasi sing and dance ang mga Beanie Girls natin.
Oo.
Alam naman K-pop artist, diba?
Oh.
Best in auto-tune.
Ay!
Tapos talagang most of them, lagi may parang may accusation na mga nag-lip sync lang daw.
Oh, pero they were live.
Diba? Yung Beanie.
Beanie.
But yung ewan ko lang yun, kasi I also read somewhere on X na parang may isang K-pop girl group na maraming na-disappoint because of their performance. I just don't know the name kasi di ko naman kakilala yung mga K-pop artists talaga.
Other than Beanie.
Kasi hindi naman K-pop, P-pop sila. Siyempre pinanood ko lang.
K-pop. We're talking about K-pop.
Walang ibang P-pop sila lang. But the
K-pop. Merong performers
meron mga K-pop performers na according to the people who are on X, they were disappointed with the performance of these other K-pop ladies. Kasi yun nga, halatang-halata mo daw na auto-tune, halatang-halata mo nag-lip sync, tapos lackluster yung choreography, yung mga gano'n na parang nilaro lang yung Coachella. So, this is a major music festival.
Oo, major talaga yan. Diyos ko, parang walang kakabog dyan eh. Anything, bigger than parang wala, di ba?
Hindi, marami naman sila, but it's one of the biggest. One of the biggest music festivals. Kasi meron pang mga ibang music festivals na malalaki rin na of the same league and of the same level.
Tsaka maraming Pinay na na nanood.
Marami naman
anak
talaga.
Anak ni Sunshine Cruz.
Diba? Sila yun.
Si Leon.
Barreto, kasama niya yung girlfriend niya ba yun?
Parang jowa niya yata yun eh.
Sofia
Tapos
something.
dinala ng jowa niya doon. Si Maymay Entrata, the first Coachella niya.
First Coachella experience,
diba? Parang ang dami na lang nagsuporta, diba? Parang
dapat naman supportan. Syempre alam mo naman, parang pag Filipino talent, dapat talaga sinusuportan. And ang gusto kong i-emphasize is that yung interview ni Lea Salonga, sana raw, aside from the fans supporting our P-pop artists, kailangan raw ng mga P-pop artists natin like Beanie, like SB19, na talagang winawagayway ang bandila ng Pilipinas ng government support. Government support meaning promotions, meaning funding. The same manner na grabe ang government support ng Korea sa mga P-pop artists nila.
Oo nga.
Yung parang, for example, Beanie to, magpe-perform sa ibang bansa, automatic ang gobyerno magbabayad ng aeroplano. May sponsor ng aeroplano. Automatic may per dime yung mga bata. Automatic lahat ng embassies na nasa ibang bansa, kung saan man yung Coachella, pinopromote. Hindi kasi, ang nangyayari kasi, from Beanie or from SB19 muna, naging Beanie, yung kanya-kanya silang tira. Walang nakukuwang supportang kahit ano sa gobyerno.
You think may makukuha?
Well, ang question ko kasi dyan, pag nananalo ng gold, ang mga athletes, OA ang bigay nyo ng incentives. Bakit ito, grupo, pinalakpakan,
kasi hindi nanalo.
hinangaan. Beside the point yun, Pilipino to eh. Nilalagay ang pangalan ng Pilipinas in a positive position. Diba? Dapat bigyan ng suporta ng gobyerno. Tulungan nyo. Yung kahit pala i-promo sa mga embassies, tulungan, diba? Suportahan.
Hindi, kasi I think that should be done with the kasi parang part na yun ng tourism eh. So dapat
what I'm trying to say is, ano ginagawa ng DOT?
Dapat medyo i-push siya.
Diba, ano ginagawa ng DOT? For example, itong Beanie, itong SB19, gawin mong parang arts and culture and tourism ambassadors. Diba? Para justifiable na bibigyan nyo ng funding. Diba? Kesa yung kung ano-anong pinaggagawa nyo. Ito, globally acknowledged na, tapos walang kasuporta ang gobyerno.
Malay mo, in the future.
Yung kay Rico Hizon yun, yung show, na Lea was interviewed, and Lea was the one who echoed na dapat talaga
may government support.
SB19, may government support. Kasi, they already, parang nataniman na nila yung lupa. Diba? Nandyan na eh. Ano na lang kayo para magdadagdag na lang kayo ng fertilizer. Tulungan nyo. Kasi kapwa nyo Pilipino to, and these girls and these boys, they bring
honor to us.
Honor. Aside from honor, nagbibigay ng pera sa ekonomiya natin. Diba? Sa mga concerts, sold out. Diba? Ng prestige. Tapos, marami mga foreign fans. that adds money to the economy.
So parang ano sila, they make economical balance but in the musical industry,
Yes,
di ba?
oo.
Parang ganon. Kasi ang economy naman hindi lang naman sa economy as in economy, di ba?
Oo. Ang daming businesses that comprise the whole economy.
Economy is multi-divided into subs, into di ba? Ganon. So sa tourism at sa sa performance industry, eto sila. They are leading. They are the number one, di ba?
So again, we are congratulating Beanie, and this is Alwad Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kamaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And you are watching the Kitty Show, Taray na Talakay Showbiz Edition.